Welcome sa Trustcast, your podcast all about mental health and self-trust. Dito, pag-uusapan natin kung paano palakasin ang ating mental health, build self-confidence, and face the challenges of our life. So tune in and join us as we navigate the journey towards a healthier mind.
Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to everyone. I am Renaliza Ibanez, but you can call me Classmate Ibanez, your companion through ups and downs. At saka nga pala, ang ating makakasama ngayon, our seatmates for today's episode,
I see Classmate De La Torre.
Thank you, Classmate Ibanez. It's pleasure to be here.
Have you ever heard it, classmate?
those silent emotions. On outside, we can't hear it, but once you get the glimpse of the inside, it's like we are in the battle. Screams and cries rolled out in our system.
Oo naman, classmate. Like others, I get stressed with all the deadlines and activities. I can feel like an ants invading my thoughts and creating a hole in my lungs.
Don't worry, classmate. Iyan ang isa sa ating pag-uusapan ngayon. For today's episode, we're going to talk about the feeling we all know intimately about, from why mental health matters to the common issues and the stigma surrounding it.
I think I already know today's episode objectives. Is it understanding mental health?
Tama ka dyan, classmate. It's important to understand this as it become a thing that everyone has, and taking care of it is essential for a productive and healthy lifestyle. Ang galing mo palang manghula, classmate. At bago mo pa nga mahulaan ang mga susunod na pangyayari, tara na sa unang segment na ang ating kwento ni classmate.
Tara na't makinig sa kwento ni classmate. Disclaimer lang po, the content onwards may cover sensitive topics that some people may find disturbing.
Ito na nga at tayo'y nagbabalik. Ready ka na ba for the story we will be hearing today, classmate?
Yes naman, classmate.
The story we'll be hearing is not just a simple one. It's a story that requires strength to write and send to us. For those who think they can't handle the things they will hear onwards, you can pause and breathe, okay? Let your emotions be acknowledged. So, para sa ating kwento ni classmate. Hi, I'm 17 years old, female. For me, ang pinaka-challenging as a student is yung sobrang daming activities, performance tasks, exams, and deadlines na nagsasabay-sabay dahil hindi mo alam kung ano unahin mong gawin. Ito ang pinaka-challenging kasi nagkukos siya ng burnout, then hindi ko na namalayan na nagbe-breakdown na pala ako. Siguro, number one effect nito sa akin is nag-i-start ako mag-doubt sa capabilities ko as a student. I grew up nang sanay na kinakaya lahat, so I started doubting myself kapag nagbe-breakdown ako due to schoolwork. Kasi for me, dito lang ako magaling at nag-excel.
Relate ako kay Sender. As a student, I can feel tired from all the overwhelming activities that you need to finish. It's like we are drowning in a pool of unfinished projects that are waiting to be done. Sigurado ako na may mga classmate rin tayo dyan na nakakaranas ng ganitong challenges. But make sure to rest, cause all will be well with a healthy body and mind.
At dito na nga nagtatapos ang ating segment na kwento ni classmate. Dito nga natin napagtanto na kahit na iba sa atin ay may sariling karanasan, it tells us that we all have problem, reminding us to be kind and be aware to this, not only to ourselves but also to the people that surround us.
Nais naming pasalamatan ng ating sender sa pag-share ng kanyang story. Your story is not just your history, but it's a key indicator of your strength and courage to continue in life despite facing these problems.
Tunay ngang nakakalungkot ang kwento ng ating sender. However, we can't deny the fact that despite those bitter paths, we learned a hard lesson. And sometimes, the best lesson comes from a problem we hardly surpass.
Yes, tama ka, classmate. Today's story just highlights the importance of mental health in our lives. And according to the National Institute of Mental Health, it affects how we think, feel, and act and relate to others. It's like the foundation of the whole human being. It molds us up to what we are now. Napaisip din ako, classmate. I'd confirm from the story that we handle things differently. Some students may have been handling their school life completely fine, and others might have struggles in the process a lot.
That's why our title for this episode includes Silent Battle Within Us. Mental health is silent. We can never know if someone has a problem unless they tell us directly. And silence is scarier than any loud things, but it tells a lot.
I think this just highlights how significant it is to check someone.
Tama ka dyan, classmate. Lalo na according to GMA News, mental health concerns are rising among youth.
Nakakalungkot nga ito. To our listener, if things get heavy on your side, please don't hesitate to ask for help to your parents, guidance counselor, or any adult in your surrounding that you're comfortable sharing your problem with.
Now, let's talk about the common mental health issues. Isa na rito ang stress at anxiety disorder.
Tignan natin kung ano nga ba ang stress at anxiety. Ayon sa karamihan, pareho lang ito. Both of these are emotional responses, but stress typically causes an external trigger.
Yes, and according to American Psychological Association, people under stress experience mental and physical symptoms such as irritability, fatigue, and difficulty sleeping.
Also, anxiety, on the other hand, is defined by persistent, excessive worries that don't go away even in the absence of a stressor. It seems to not go away, keeping our mind busy with all the worries, like a bug keep buzzing around our head. This is the most common mental health issue na possible maranasan ng iba, especially students.
Thank you for your information, classmate. To everyone that feels like their souls are in chaos and carrying weight inside, always remember that there is sunlight that arises after the darkness.
Now, let's discuss the stigma surrounding mental health. But first, ano ba ang mental health stigma, classmate?
Good question, classmate. Ito'y tumutukoy sa negative attitudes and discrimination against people with mental health conditions.
Lack of knowledge when it comes to this is the primary cause why misconception and stigma are created. For instance, there is a misconception that having a mental health condition is a sign of weakness, but it's not true. It takes strength and courage to recognize your condition and even opening it up. And there's no any weakness in that. Rather, it shows bravery that despite facing this, you decide to continue forward and be optimistic.
Another stigma surrounding mental health is it makes people violent, but this is much rarer than many people think. People with mental health conditions are more likely to be a victim than a perpetrator. That's why we should not avoid them because of misconception, but instead, let's give them our support, attention, and love.
Tama, classmate. It's heartbreaking to hear and read these misconceptions and stigma, but let us be the ones who understand and are knowledgeable in this kind of thing for them.
Yes, classmate, let us be the one who sees and loves them continuously and genuinely.
I know, I believe I can. Ito ang isa sa tumatak sa aking mga isipan.
Ako rin, classmate. It perfectly highlights the practice of mindfulness.
Speaking of mindfulness, classmate, it can help us to not be overwhelmed to the problems we're facing, and if sasamahan pa natin ito ng grounding techniques tulad ng breathing exercise at iba pa, tiyak na mababawasan ang mga negative emotions na nararamdaman natin at the moment.
Let's encourage each other to practice mindfulness, classmate. This might help us to do a whole lot better.
Tama ka dyan, classmate. Maybe with this, we become stronger and wiser.
Ang dami kong natutunan for today's episode, classmate. Ikaw ba?
Sa sobrang dami, hindi ko na nga mabilang, classmate. At sana may natutunan din ang ating mga nakikinig.
Yes! I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from today's episode.
Always remember to be positive, and if you feel like having a bad day, nandito lang ang The Trust Cast to keep you entertained and educated.
Bago ang pagtatapos, nais naming pasalamatan si Dr. Jeannie Carante. Your feedback helps us deliver the right advices.
Ayan at ayan na nga! Dito na nagtatapos ang lahat. But before we end our episode, kaunting sneak peeks for our next topic. We will be tackling the various healthy coping mechanisms. Once again, I'm classmate Ibanez.
And I'm classmate De La Torre. Thank you so much, everyone!
And that's it for today mga Traskas. Stay tuned for more kantuan. Alam!